Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel ABR Tech. In this tutorial you will learn how to index your backlinks quickly, manually and maybe automatically. I was able to index my own backlinks on Bloggers blog and WordPress blog. Alright, a big shout out to Pip Magnet Solution and Christianity Network. You guys are amazing. Alright, to get a shout out from us, you can just subscribe to our YouTube channel as we'll be picking randomly from our group of subscribers. Thank you. So guys, most time after creating your backlinks, it takes up to 3, 4, 5 or even 6 months before it gets indexed by Google. Alright, your backlinks could come from Web 2.0, PBN, or even profile backlinks. Alright, so I will teach you how you can index this, but before you do that, after creating your profile backlinks or any kind of backlinks, you have your links in your notepad or maybe words like this, as you can see. Alright, this is short is online backlinks, a backlink I create for a client. Alright, so we're gonna be using this method like you use your pages, same page, same way you're doing this, you can do the same thing on blog on WordPress. Okay, so whatever you learn here, you can do the same thing with your WordPress blog without facing issue. Okay, so maybe I'm gonna be naming these should I say favorite links. Now this is a space you're gonna be posting your blog, the links you created here. Okay, so in the title panel, you're gonna be creating something like favorite links. That should be your title. You can use anything, it could be your name or anything, but favorite links will make a lot of sense. Maybe should I say links, or maybe blog links, write blog, anything, but you should do it from the same domain you created everything from. Okay, so this, I'm going to be copying everything here. This is not the domain, but I decided to test run it here since I don't have access to the domain I'm creating it for, but it doesn't really matter, you can do it for any blog. Okay, so I can't just highlight everything here, but this is a test anyway. I can't just highlight everything and make it clickable. Alright, so I'm going to be doing it individually. Alright, I'm going to be doing this individually. You're supposed to paste something there. Alright, this no follow. When you click here, that's to follow. Alright, so you're going to be copying that same link. You copy the same link, then you add paste, and you paste it there. To click on open this link in a new tab or in a new window. Alright, so you can start doing the same to the rest link. Follow the same step here. I click on the link tab, done. Alright, go to another link, click on the tab there, the link tab there. Alright, you can't work for the whole link totally, done. Alright, so we're gonna be doing it one after the you can't do everything together. Alright, see the same issue here, like the same issue we faced from the start. Okay, so you click here, you click on it, you go to another step, click on it, go to another step, then you click on this. Yes, you click on it, then you click on the second to last. I'm going to be copying this one since the link tab is not highlighted. Okay, we're going to be copying that. We need to copy it. You click on copy, Ctrl C, then we paste in that space given. You apply, then we apply the same thing to the one below. Here we can just click directly and that's all. Okay, you click on apply. Okay, so after having this, what should we do? We're going to be publishing. We have our links here. Publish it to appear in your pages. When they appear, what you're going to be doing is that, well, anyway, this very blog is a test blog, so I don't have my page is showing on the web pages. Alright, this page is not showing on the home page of the site, but it is better you copy the link, you go to your Google search console and request for indexing. But in most cases you should leave it for it to index. After indexing you can just delete it. Alright, after indexing you can just delete it. But apart from that, there are other methods. In most cases, like, let me just say I created this link for this bluebase.blogspot.com. What I need to do is just to copy the site name. I'll use the site name instead of using the one with the sublinks. Alright, I won't have to use that long link. Maybe I create from Famdia, I'll just use famdia.com, and that's all. I won't have to use everything, all the long article, right? So that's a simple way to index your backlinks manually. Alright, so here is the site, and you won't find anything here, but when you open it from inside there, okay, let's just scroll down so you can see the links. Okay, let's scroll down. It's still loading. Okay, everything has loaded to the fullest. So let's just, okay, here are the link. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please subscribe. Thank you.